What's happening, guys? This is the first official video of Humbly Abundant, and right now we're about to review the original Vitality Balm. This is mine right here. Obviously, I've been using it. Haven't used it all week to give y'all the most natural, the most authentic viewing of it. You know what I mean? So we can see it in full effect. It's before work, so I'm kind of rushing. But here we go. What this is a tutorial. A tutorial on how to ultimately maintain your hair so that you can then apply products by Humbly Abundant on humblyabundant.com. Don't forget it. And the more hydrated we are, the more we can get our kinks out, because they're not brittle, they're not tangled, they're not intertwined to where they're pulling out more hair than we need to. All this happens because they're not hydrated enough. They're deprived of the nutrients that they need, feeding your hair so it can grow, so it can live up to the expectations that you want it to have. Because we all can have great hair. And great hair is not even a real phrase to have, but just to put it in layman's terms, have great hair. Have it exuberant, have it showing we all can have it, we all can do it. A lot of people use petroleum-based products, which ultimately deprive you of receiving those nutrients that are in the product that are promised on the label. Here is the alternative to the petroleum lovers out there. Okay, so here we go. Haven't even wetted my hair yet. So the first thing I do is I grab my wide tooth comb. Check. But before I do anything, I go ahead and get some, before I wet my hair, and put some in. I grab this and I put some in before I even wet my hair. Then you gotta make sure you rub that thing on up. You kind of just get in there. Just, it's not like you gotta massage the scalp or anything. We're just doing this to hydrate the hair so it's easy to comb through. It's a little bit stronger, you know what I mean? And I like combing when I'm still in the water because it just makes it easier for me. You know what I'm talking about? But I want you to stay. I like to comb it all the way. I can just comb straight through. You know what I'm talking about? With as least kinks as possible. I know that's different for other people. There's more people got tighter coils, or whatever the case may be, but once I got that down, then we go to the smaller comb, which I don't know where it is right now. Smaller comb. I mean, some people may not be able to use these, but if you get it hydrated enough, you get it loose enough, hey, maybe you might even go to some smaller combs, some wider, not wider, but some more narrow strands. And you don't see me bump my ends, as people would say. You see, I can't go all the way through, but the more I comb, the better I'm getting through. The more you comb, the more you're gonna get some of these hairs that have shedded, right? But that's okay, because they naturally shed anyway. And then I do my comb with the middle part. But after I get done, I can go all the way to the back just because I don't want my hair staying like